Hi, I'm Sridhar from Tenali, Andhra Pradesh. I completed my engineering at KCG College of Technology, Chennai. My journey into embedded systems began with a simple curiosity during my school days: how mobile phones work. I was amazed by how touching a screen could result in actions and how hardware and software were interfaced effortlessly. This was the main foundation why I learned electronics and ultimately why I have chosen the field of embedded systems. My curiosity about embedded systems deepened during my intermediate when I started exploring how devices operate. However, during my engineering days, I felt that the kind of knowledge I was gaining wasn't sufficient, especially in practical applications. Theoretical understanding was good, but I lacked hands on experience to bring ideas to real life. This is where I realized I want to build a strong foundation, especially in practical applications, which is how I discovered Emertxe. When I decided to enhance my skills in embedded systems, I did thorough online research and I found that Emertxe is one of the top embedded training institutes in Bangalore that offers both advanced embedded system courses and specialized IoT courses. Their focus on providing embedded system course with placement opportunities was exactly what I needed. Joining Emertxe was transformative for me. The 6 months course was intense. The course included both theoretical and practical training. The C programming module stood out for me. In this module, it wasn't just about learning the syntax, but majorly about developing problem-solving skills and doing multiple projects, which will lay a strong foundation for other advanced modules as well. Training at Emertxe improved practical learning through projects, giving me hands-on experience with microcontrollers and real-world problem solving. The mentors were exceptional. Their dedication, combined with the structured approach to learning, gave me the confidence to tackle the challenges. Before joining Emertxe, I never felt satisfied in my learning process during my college days. But this experience completely changed my perspective on how to approach new topics. The practical approach, especially through the lab sessions, helped me grow and develop my skills. The placement journey was an emotional one for me. When I got the news that I had been placed at Ametek, a premium company, I felt satisfied because I had worked for this and expected the result. However, it was my parents' reaction that truly moved me. They were overjoyed and incredibly proud. Emertxe's placement program was remarkable. Their embedded system course with placements, including building a strong resume, mock interviews, and real-time projects, prepared me for the industry. The structured and detailed approach made me confident and enabled me to tackle challenges of working in embedded systems domain. The advice I give to my juniors is always believe in yourself. Learn from those who know more than you and who they have more experience than you. If you are considering placement-oriented embedded coaching in Bangalore or even an online embedded course, Emertxe provides the best guidance and resources to succeed. I am deeply thankful to Emertxe for tuning my passion into a career. I believe the skills and confidence I gained here has helped me a lot in achieving this milestone and will also help me in my future career. Believe in yourself and be consistent. Success will follow the way.